Presentation about microprocessor organization by Pavitra. Microprocessor organization. Design of instruction set for the microprocessor is an important aspect of computer architecture. The instruction set chosen for a particular computer determines the way that machine language programs are constructed. The factors that influence computer hardware complexity are upgrading existing models to provide more customer applications, adding instructions to translate from high level language into machine language programs, developing machines that move functions from software implementation into hardware implementation. Complex instruction set computer CISC. A computer with a large number of instructions is called complex instruction set computer. In CISC architecture, it is very essential that a single machine instruction for each statement that is written in high level language must be provided. Characteristic features. Variable length instruction formats are used. The instruction provides direct manipulation of operands residing in memory. A large number of instructions, about 100 to 250, are provided. Certain instructions that perform specialized tasks are used infrequently. A large variety of addressing modes, about 5 to 20, are provided. Example of CISC architecture are Digital Equipment Corporation, VAX computer, and the IBM 370 computer. Reduced instruction set computer RISC. Computer that uses fewer instructions with simple constructs so that they can be executed much faster within the CPU without having the use memory often is called reduced instruction set computer. Characteristic features. It is relatively fewer instructions. There are relatively fewer and simple addressing modes. Memory access is limited only to load and store instructions. There are a large number of registers in CPU. All operations are carried out using the registers of the CPU. Instruction format is of fixed length. Instructions are easily decodable. Instruction execution takes place in a single clock. Control is hardwired and not microprogrammed. There is compiler support for efficient translation of high-level language programs into machine language programs. Uniform instruction format using a single word with the opcode in the same bit positions in every instruction demanding less decoding. They have identical general purpose registers allowing any register to be used in any context, simplifying compiler design. There are few data types in hardware. Advantages. Instruction set is simplified. Register manipulation is optimized. Few addressing modes used are simple. Instruction length is fixed and so can be aligned on word boundaries. Instruction decoding is easy. Well-known RISC families include Alpha, ARC, ARM, AVR, MIPS, PARISC, PIC, Power Architecture, SuperEdge, and finally SPARC. RISC versus CISC. CISC. CISC is emphasis on hardware and it is multiple instruction size and formats. It is less registers. It is more addressing modes. It is extensive using of microprogramming. It is instructions take a varying amount of cycle time. It is pipeline is difficult. In RISC, vice versa, emphasis on software, instructions of same set with few formats. It uses more registers and it has fewer addressing modes and the complexity in compiler and instructions take one cycle time and pipeline is easy in RISC. Thank you all.